guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome to another episode of Wanderlusting Couple. I'm Runa.
And I'm Gaurav.
And today we are all set for a fantastic road trip. Where are we going, Gaurav?
We are going to Udaipur!
Yay!
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, feeling with chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now.
So guys, Udaipur is not very close to Mumbai. It's in Rajasthan, which is like 725 kilometers away from here. And we are planning to cover it in almost like 12 to 13 hours. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive.
Whoa! So it's getting brighter and we have already crossed Mumbai long time back. We are very close to Boisar actually now, and in fact in another 15 to about 20 kilometers we'll hit the Chairoti टोल नाका. और वहाँ पर एक बहुत अच्छा ढाबा है that we have heard of, which is called as Jalaram. So maybe we'll have a breakfast from there.
Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath.
So दोस्तों, बहुत बड़ा पोपट हो गया हमारे साथ. We have got to Jalaram, the new Jalaram Kathiawadi ढाबा, but I think we have got here too early. और ढाबा तो बंद है यार.
Yeah.
तो अब हम लोग
This is a little, unexpected because dhabas on the highways are generally open 24 into 7. So that's been our experience, guys. हम लोग बॉम्बे से पूना जाते रहते हैं, सारे ढाबा खुले रहते हैं.
एक्चुअली बट ठीक है, हम लोग अपना थोड़ा ब्रेकफास्ट लेकर आए हैं तो गाड़ी में बैठ के किया जाएगा एंड देन विल मूव अहेड. ओके.
I'm just gonna drive.
तो यार चाय तो पी लिए,
Yeah.
अब जलाराम से कुछ खा नहीं पाए तो क्या करें. लौटते में खाएंगे.
Yeah. कहीं और से खा लेते हैं.
So let's leave from Jalaram and now our next stop is Baroda
और सूरत.
or Surat maybe. Let's go.
So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Okay, so it's 9 AM and we are very close to Surat. Surat is just 50 kilometers from here and we are hoping to get some good restaurants there so that we can have our breakfast.
यार ये गुजरात के ट्रक्स में ना ये सब लोग इतने कपड़े क्यों बांधते हैं चारों तरफ यार. सारे ट्रक्स में देख रहा हूँ मैं. टायर के पास, ड्राइवर के पास, ऊपर साइड में.
This is little strange.
I'm just gonna drive.
So हमारा नाश्ता हो गया है. We were not able to find any good place. Finally हमको ये जगह मिली which is called Hotel
Jalaram
Kathiawad. So most of the hotels in Gujarat are called Kathiawad for some reason. We really don't know. Maybe some Guju friend who is watching this vlog may let us know what Kathiawad means, because, or maybe we'll ask somebody here and we'll let you know as well.
Kathiawad is actually a cuisine. A Gujarati cuisine, spicy Gujarati cuisine. That is why a lot of restaurants are called Kathiawad here.
Yeah.
But Jalaram Kathiawad is actually, as they say that they have got franchise of 4-5 restaurants nearby. और ये जहाँ पर हम लोग ने आज खाना खाया है, it's near the toll naka of
Cambridge
Kulwad toll naka के just पहले आता है.
Food was
average. Food was average. It was good. Not very bad, not very great. Normal, हम लोग ने भी बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ heavy नहीं खाया, but normal अपना डोसा and idli is what we got. We finished off the lunch. उसके बाद हम लोग ने एक interesting पान लिया है यहाँ से, जो just वहाँ से निकलने के बाद है, and that is what we are going to have now. Let's see how it is. Okay, we'll see you guys in a while. Now we are heading to Vadodara.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now.
तो यार अंकलेश्वर क्रॉस हो गया है. And the highways are really scenic. Taken a very small break of about 2 minutes at this place called the Honest restaurant. Lee Nandini. ये पूरा एक्चुअली एक फूड प्लाजा है आफ्टर क्रॉसिंग अंकलेश्वर. काफ़ी बड़ा जगह था. So you've got lot of options from pizzas, pastas, continental to local cuisines also. We took a quick break, picked up something for the road and headed back. But अगर आपके पास टाइम हो और आप रुक के अपना लंच वगैरह प्लान आउट करना चाहते हैं, तो ये एक अच्छी जगह है जो आप प्लान आउट कर सकते हैं.
Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times.
So guys, we are crossing the Narmada bridge, and there was a toll before the bridge, and we thought that why is there a toll so soon? I think it was because of this beautiful bridge that we have just crossed. और हम लोग नीचे देख सकते हैं, the Narmada is flowing. It's a huge river guys. Beautiful.
Making me crazy, so I'm just gonna drive.
And as you can see, Vadodara is just 66 kilometers, guys. Come on, Runa, can you do it?
Obviously.
I'm just gonna drive.
Not bad, Miss Runa Ghosh. आपको 1 o'clock का टारगेट दिया था वडोदरा पहुंचने का, और आपने पहुंचा दिया. तो गाइस, हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं वडोदरा, और हम लोग एक्चुअली सिटी के बाहर से निकल रहे हैं थ्रू द बाईपास. और एज यूजुअल रूना फुल फॉर्म में है, और हम लोग बहुत स्पीड से वडोदरा क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. लंच शायद हम लोग वडोदरा पे नहीं करेंगे, और जब जगह मिलेगी अच्छी तब करेंगे. लंच हम लोग पास है भी वैसे बहुत, जो हम लोग लेके चल रहे हैं. What do you say?
Yeah. No point in stopping now. Let's go to Udaipur directly. Udaipur, we are coming.
Udaipur, we're coming for you.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now.
We have crossed Godhra. The roads are really good. हमें कोई pothole नहीं मिला, कोई problem नहीं आया.
The roads are good. I think the best part is कि एक जो चीज़ कम ही जगह मैंने देखी है इंडिया में, is that you know the kind of lane management that is done on the roads for Gujarat. For example, if you have a turn on the right, they will start building up additional lane for people who want to turn right. So that's, I think, very thoughtful. एंड वी हैव ओनली सीन दिस व्हाइल वी आर ड्राइविंग अब्रॉड, यूरोप वगैरह में जब हम लोग ड्राइव करते हैं तो वहाँ पर ये चीज़ें देखने को मिलती है। एंड देन वी कीप थिंकिंग कि यार इंडिया में वैसा कुछ क्यों नहीं है। आई थिंक दे हैव डन अ गुड जॉब इन द रोड मैनेजमेंट बिट in Gujarat. It's pretty nice. It gives us a good feel actually while driving in Gujarat.
Don't you blame me? Yeah, this feeling I got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
ओके सो इट्स 5:45 नाउ। हम लोग राजस्थान के अंदर ही हैं और राजस्थान का लैंडस्केप काफ़ी डिफरेंट है गुजरात से। ये लाइकिंग द हिली पार्ट ऑफ राजस्थान एंड रोड्स आर फैंटास्टिक। बहुत अच्छे रोड्स है गुजरात में भी, राजस्थान में भी, और हम लोग को लकीली सब कुछ खाली मिला। सो इट वॉज वेरी स्मूथ ड्राइव। अभी सनसेट हो चुका है और अभी 1 घंटा GPS बता रहा है टू रीच आवर होटल।
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now.
Hey guys, so we have finally reached our hotel, which is Bambusa. Apart from the last half an hour patch, जो GPS ने हम लोग को कोई और ही रूट बता दिया था to enter into the city, the rest of the journey was pretty good. हम लोग करीब 4:45 बजे निकले थे सवेरे एंड वी हैड रीच्ड एट अबाउट quarter to 7. But it was pretty good. I don't think that the drive was exhausting as much. 2 reasons. One was obviously that the roads are pretty good, and from Vadodara to Samblaji was a very good patch, and Godhra to Samblaji was in fact one of the best roads that I had driven in India. 2-lane highways, but traffic nahi tha, straight highways, and very smooth and silky roads. We just loved the drive there. Also, the second reason that the drive was pretty good is that both me and Runa were taking turns in driving, and so that ways I think it was a pretty good road trip that we did from Mumbai to Udaipur. You should definitely do it, guys. Definitely do it.
I'm just gonna drive.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please click on the like button, comment below, share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel. This was our first video in Udaipur series. इसके बाद भी हम लोग उदयपुर के और वीडियोस बनाते रहेंगे. It will be all about our stay in Udaipur, places to visit, things to do, and lots of other stuff. So keep watching.
This is Gaurav and Runa signing off from Wanderlusting Couple. Keep traveling.
Keep exploring.
Until we meet again.
Bye bye.